Previously on 876 and Chill, Stretch and the Island Girl decided to test their Jamaican skills by playing How Jamaican Are You on their way to St. Elizabeth. Let's see what happened after on the journey. So we are trying to go Alligator Pond, right? And Romina drive through some back road. I don't know which part would they like, some Springfield, Spring Plain, or something like that. All we are see are just road, and bush. Look here, people, look here. See, a bush, full speed of bush. Romina, where you go?
Alligator Pond. Just drive some road we don't know.
Where?
Just stick to the main road and drive roads we don't know, people don't know. Show them the road there. See?
Nobody of them right mind now drive on it, so?
I'm like explore why not. The road nice and smooth.
As far as the eyes can see, all we see is bush. Bush to the left, bush to the right.
You show the end result.
346 minutes later.
Welcome to Hey guys, as previously saw that Raquel was saying that we were on some road and she's like, I was carrying her in the bush, but we met up on a gym. Like, I didn't know this was here and she didn't either. So we're here with Deacon, right? And we're by the
Alligator Hole. Canoe Valley. Canoe Valley.
well, we're in Alligator Hole in Canoe Valley, and like there's this protected park. It's like a park where
National Park.
it's a national park. See, it's a national park. So we're here with him. He has been working here from 1995. Let's check it out. And it has been here from before you were born. From the
Before me come here.
Before
Before
you-
me come see the project going on.
So he came here and saw the project going on and things. So could you just tell us what it entails and what we can find here, the attractions and
We have manatees,
manatees?
otherwise sea cow.
See,
But they normally come around during the afternoon,
afternoon.
and then you can find a crocodile. Sometimes I see a river turtle and so forth. Birds and other visitors come for, they call it fun and
Adventure.
adventure, and schoolers come here on tours and stuff like that. So it's very active. But now we kind of temporary close.
Because of the
Because of
COVID.
the COVID now, so we kind of temporary close.
Okay. All right. Is there a cost to the activities here?
No man, it's a wide open place for everybody come on.
So, as I said, it's a nice view and the water looks nice. Too bad we can't swim in it.
You can swim now, but it's actually deep. And
deep.
the crocodile is there, so you have to
Watch out. You have
watch
to
out
be careful.
for crocodile and stuff like that.
Okay. And is it salt water or
Bearded blackish.
really?
Mixed with the limestone. So actually, water we can drink, if we drink it all the time, we drink from the spring. We would now drink from there, so we got the spring and drink water.
How far from here the spring?
Yeah, look up.
Okay, so
Just stop shallow, you snap a while ago.
Okay.
Just look for the upper spring.
Okay, fair enough. That's nice. So this first, people were in Clarendon going.
Bad Manchester and Clarendon.
Mm-hmm.
And this is a project run by NEPA.
It's by NEPA. Remember NEPA. So we're in a protected area right now. And there's a museum here also.
Yeah, but as we say, temporary close for the time being.
It's closed for the time. We're just like you guys to check it out. When the COVID is gone and everything, you can actually come by and do your thing here. We'll show you a few clips of the water and all of that. So just look out for it, alright? Alright. This is Mr. Deacon for the short interview.
Yeah. Further down you go down, you find Guts River further, you might pass people down from the road. You go straight ahead?
Yeah man, we're going to Alligator Pond.
Yeah, just take it straight to Alligator Pond.
Yeah man.
No, turn now.
See?
No.
Alligator Pond. So I was right. Raquel?
Bush your car away.
Yeah, but the road kind of bad, but you can drive to the river town, so you can.
Yeah, because the road coming from that side
That's
is good.
But the end, so you go down further down, kind of rocky, but you can drive.
We have no problem. We're on adventure. So, everybody know the other side of the main road from Forest go right back into Mandeville and all of that. So we're taking the back road and things to show persons the other side of Jamaica.
So you go down to the spa?
No, we didn't stop by the spa. We know where the spa was already.
Okay.
Yeah, so we just passed on. Oh, at the spa that he's talking is the Milk River Spa. So in case you guys don't know, we drove that side to come down here, the Milk River side. So yes. So let's just check it out. Alright.
Stumbled on this. What?
Remember, she believe us over the road, she don't know, or buck up in this, buck up
in this, like, we just run, come back up in this. The place is just cool, it's relaxing. Wish we could have stayed a little bit longer, but we're on a journey, so we're going to leave Canoe Valley now to head to Alligator Pond. Let's see what else we'll find along the way.
With the alligator holes.
Oh, with the alligator hole?
In Canoe Valley.
In a Canoe Valley.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're not finding no alligator though.
Hey guys, look what Mr. Deacon gave us. You know, when you go to the country, you always get a little parting gift. Yeah, Mr. Deacon gave us guineas. Thanks, Mr. Deacon. They're very sweet.
$346 later. 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Finally, guys, we made it to Guts River. Fun fact, Guts River is a river beach and a small hamlet on the south coastline of Manchester. And I don't mean hamlet like what we eat. A hamlet is a small settlement of people with no churches. People, we still a drive. All we can see a bush. To the left, bush. Right, bush. We stop down further So guys, guess what reach we? After the long drive through the bush, we reach a alligator pond. But guess what? We're there at Alligator Pond and we don't know where we're going. We just there where I drive to Alligator Pond. We left out our yard so we come at Alligator Pond, come have a swim. So now we are going to detour. Because somewhere in St. Elizabeth, I'm not really sure which part we are going yet. I think them say we are going to Lovers Deep. Go just check out the view. Yeah, maybe eat some food. I'm kind of hungry now, but we just drive, come out here. No aim, no destination. You know, all of this said to get up to Alligator Pond, I will never look. Wow, it actually there Alligator Pond to do. We stop a little Ochi, but I never thought would the drive come so far. I want to swim, you know. I want to enjoy a little water. I come from town all the way come to St. Elizabeth to swim. So we stop, where were they? We're there somewhere. We stop and get some water. But they are white supermarket and wholesale. You know, we stop and get some water and like a snack. The journey did long. And they interesting, but up on few little places. But yeah, now we're not there to swim. So we'll go somewhere else. And Lovers Deep not up to swim either. We could have got in a Treasure Beach, but right now it's after 3 and we have to go back into town before the curfew starts. So we might just go Lovers Deep. We might not get to swim today either. But at least we will get some good footage and pictures to show you places where you know you can come and chill out a little bit. So yeah. I guess the video gonna be how we came to Alligator Pond and didn't go anywhere. But yeah, catching you back when we got Lovers Deep. So we reach a Lovers Deep, and guess what? Them close. We drive all the way from Kingston to come right here, so we go through Canoe Valley, go through Milk River, one place, go Alligator Pond. Think don't get to swim, don't get to swim. Come on, we're going to do sightseeing and look on the lighthouse. Them close. So here what? One day, Uno jump in the vehicle, go up on Google, look on some off-road, some back roads, and just drive. But check it the place them first before you come. Just drive and look around Jamaica.